Is this thing on? This thing on? Oh, yep, it's on. Hello, and today I'm playing Subway Surfers Haunted Hood. Yes, this is Subway Surfers, the actual game, and today I'm going to be playing it. So, let's get into it. So, let's start. Ooh. Nice. This is the easy part so far. As you can tell, I have a skin that has lots of coins that need to be had to. Yeah, I'm just in a loss for words. Oh god. I sure am golly and jolly about moving trains. I love running on moving trains. Oh, that was close. Wee. Ooh, close. Anyway, I'm gonna take myself from charger. Ooh, 15%. Okay, let's do this again. Let's do this. Woohoo! You know what? Boing. Boing. Wee. 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 All I'm trying to do is get past 30,000. So I can. Sorry. So I can beat Tricky. Obviously, as you can tell, I'm really good at the game. I spent a full 12 hours on this game. I'm just joking. I was really obsessed with this game when I got it. Close. I've got that. So, I got that 3 times today. Oops. Down I go. Up I go. Hoot, hoot, wee, hoot, hoot, wee. Wee, 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 woo, woo. That's close. Oh, this part. Oh, and this part. Wee. Dang it! Okay. Yes, I'm gonna revive. Yay! Finally! I'm gonna keep on going though. Not gonna make myself forcefully die. I'm gonna die on accident, that's for sure.